Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.